behind those colorful hand-woven clothes, behind those colorful attire and adornments is a story of resilience, resistance, and renewal.
This theme reminds us that our culture does not behind from the past. Our culture is the one that is waving the future. Our culture is the one that has been copied from the modern technology. Without our culture, without our practices, without our traditions, the future never have any ideas that has been now being born in our time.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the Savannah tribe, the Indigenous tribe.
Diri sa SPAC, akong natagamtaman kung unsa kanindot, kung unsa nila gidawat ang mga indigenous people. Dili na ko ikaulaw, niusak ko ka indigenous people tungod kay nakita na ko dire kung unsa nila paghigugma, pagrespeto labi na sa mga indigenous people.
Inspired by the message of Pastor Yata, he said that we should not forget kung unsa tagikan o asa tagikan. And it reminds me to stay true in our roots and preserving our rights.
Father God, I pray you please continue to sustain them the blessings they need. We thank you for so young people, let us stand as an indigenous communities. Let us rise in the society and even in our mission, never to forget, to not left behind our culture and our tradition, but give every person value because that is God's design to all of you.
Why do we honor IP students, IP community? Because it is our responsibility and your story is our shared future. As a school community, as SPAC, let's make a culture to help them share their voice.